everyone, welcome back to our Python exercise series for beginners. So today's is a very short and sweet and really fun exercise. In the previous episodes, we have worked on list. It's what is list? Why do we use it? Its built-in functions. We have checked in the previous episodes whether the how to check whether the list is empty or not. So today we are going to compare two lists. So we are going to learn how to compare, and it sounds really simple, but trust me, there are some cool little details to notice here. So here is the task. We'll ask the user to enter two lists, and then we will split those items into actual lists in Python that we have did it already in the previous episode itself, and then we'll check if both lists are the same or not. At the end, the program will say the lists are equal or the lists are different. All right, let's write this step by step together. So, step one, always ask user input. So, list one, input. Enter the first number or list separated by commas. List 2 equal to input, same thing. Enter the second list separated by comma. Okay. So if you check the previous episode here, we actually split the user input. But you know what? We can actually use split here also. Right here. In the same way, we'll do it. Here we are using dot split right here, separated with comma. Dot split. Okay. And now we'll compare the list. It's pretty simple. So step 2, compare the list. So if list 1 equal to list 2, print lists are equal, else print the lists are different. Okay. Now when you run this, let me give the list apple, banana, and maybe cabbage, anything in the list. Second list, apple, banana, cabbage. Lists are equal. Okay. What if you give some other? Maybe strawberry, pineapple, kiwi. This time, strawberry, grape, kiwi. Now enter. See, the lists are different. Okay, let's see what's going on here. First, we are asking the user input. So we said enter the first list separated with comma, and we are adding it inside the list by splitting them with comma. Okay. And then, so Python, whenever sees comma, it will split the text or whatever the element there and make it into a separate items, list items. It separated the first list items and the second list items with comma. And then it created two beautiful lists. If you want, you can also check. Print list 1, list 2. Okay. So A, B, C, or anything. It could be list, can attach anything. And 1, 2, 3. See, you can see two lists it is creating ABC or 1BC, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So next we are checking whether the items in the list are same or not. How list 1 equal to list 2? By just this simple condition, list 1 double equal to list 2. If list 1 is double equal to list 2, then it will check whether the lists are equal or not. If both the lists are exactly same, then Python will say the lists are equal. If otherwise, it will say the lists are different. It's that simple. Sometimes you give the same elements in the list, but sometimes you give the order different. Like for example, 1, 2, 3, and here 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 1. These are two different things. Even though they have the same numbers, the order is different. So it is showing the lists are different. Order also matters when comparing the lists. And yeah, that's it. You have just built a simple program that compares two lists. This may seem basic, but understanding how lists work in Python is super important. And we'll be using them everywhere. So keep practicing, try with different inputs, and even experiment with uppercase and lowercase letters to see what happens. All right, I'll see you in the next exercise where we'll push our Python skills even further. Until then, happy coding and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.